In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix band on TikTok Live. To begin, open the TikTok app on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on the corresponding icon. On the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three horizontal lines to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings and Privacy section, look for the option to report a problem. Once you've found it, tap on it. In the next menu, locate and select Live is suspended. When prompted, choose the option No. In this section, you need to provide the specific details of the issue you're facing. Feel free to type in a description or even capture a screenshot or video to better illustrate the problem. Once you've filed in the necessary details, tap on Submit to complete the process. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.